I'm going to be getting my potential energy, which is equal to M1GY1 plus M2GY2. I can factor out my G, which is a negative G, and I have my M1Y1 plus my M2Y2. So my potential energy is equal to negative G times M1L1 cosine theta 1 plus M2L1 cosine theta 1 plus M2L2 cosine theta 2. And I can factor out minus G times M1 plus M2L1 cosine theta 1 plus M2L2 cosine theta 2. And now what I could do is put my kinetic energy, my potential energy together, find my Lagrangian, and it's going to be equal to 1/2 M1 plus M2 L1 squared theta 1 dot square plus 1/2 M2 L2 squared theta 2 dot square plus M2 L1 L2 theta 1 dot theta 2 dot cosine theta 1 minus theta 2 minus will be positive, right? Positive, yeah. Plus G will be my M1 plus M2, M1 plus M2 L1 cosine theta 1 plus M2 cosine theta 2. And now I could go ahead and find my partial of L with partial of theta 1. And what I have is right here, what I have is this is minus M2 L1 L2 theta 1 dot theta 2 dot sine theta 1 minus theta 2 minus G M1 plus M2 L1 sine theta 1. And this came out from right here. You have everything, the sine, because it has theta 1 here. This came out from here, and my other theta 1 comes out from here, And now what I want to do is find the partial of L with the partial of theta 1 dot and take the derivative with respect to that. And this is going to be equal to, I have a theta 1 dot here, the 2's will cancel, I have M1 plus M2 L1 theta dot square times theta 1 dot. Okay, I have a theta right here, which this would be plus M2 L1 L2 theta 1 dot theta 2 dot sine theta 1 theta 2. And got it from here. Then right here, okay, I need to delete right here. This is something for a second. Delete right here, because in reality, what it's going to do is I need to remove the theta 1 dot and do that. I got into a 1 dot and theta 2 dot cosine theta 1 minus theta 2. And in my next video, I'll be taking the derivative and putting everything together to get my Lagrangian. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. Thank you.